I just want to go to Amrinder Singh Raja Waring, who is one of the suspended MPs for the rest of the budget session. Mr. Waring, thank you for taking the time out and joining us. I just want you to reflect, Mr. Waring, on what really happened today outside Parliament. Now, it is something that has been spoken of in Punjab, which has become a flashpoint where, Sikhism is concerned, where you have a huge, number of leaders from the BJP who are Sikh coming out and saying that today Rahul Gandhi, by calling Mr. Bittu a traitor, has insulted the community. Mr. Waring, can you hear me?
Tell me. Can you repeat it again? What are you saying? I thought that you were asking somebody else.
Yes. My question, Waring Saab, is that today what happened outside Parliament, the exchange between Rahul Gandhi and Mr. Bittu has now sparked massive debate in Punjab, where the BJP says you had Rahul Gandhi who insulted Sikhs by calling Mr. Bittu a traitor.
Saying something to Mr. Bittu, how can this is insult of the Sikhs? You just tell me. He have not said anything to the Sikhs. He said, Bittu, hello, my friend, traitor. He have not said anything to Sikhs. And do you know, have you heard the what Bittu says? Bittu says, अगर मैंने आज पगड़ी पहनी है, there is I can send you that recording of his recording while Bharat Jodo Yatra in Ludhiana, Punjab. He is saying this pagdi just because of Rahul Gandhi. He suggests me to wear the turban. You are a Sikh, just wear the turban. Rahul Gandhi have a respect about Sikhs and everybody, but he only said that, hello, my friend traitor. Nothing to Sikhs. He have a high respect for Sikhs. How can a person feels ki by something he is saying to Bittu and some other leader of this BJP who belong to this Sikh, and they are saying ki bhai, this is the insult of a one Sikh.
But Waring Saab, what was the need to use the word traitor? Do you think that
because
could have been avoided?
No. Why? Yesterday, after the suspension, we are doing the peaceful protest outside the parliament and Makardwar. While that Bittu is coming towards us, he was saying कि भाई कारगिल से युद्ध जीत कर आए हो. He was passing this remarks to us. He said कारगिल से युद्ध जीत के आए हो. In between, Rahul Gandhi says, hello, my friend, traitor. Nothing more than that. So, isse you tell me, कि how can this BJP and other leaders from the BJP are saying this is insult for the Sikhs? How can you compare this both of the things? कि भाई ये सिखों की तौहीन और बेइज्जती की गई है राहुल गांधी ने, कैसे?
Waring Saab, do you see this become a flashpoint? You have elections in 1 year right now, and every small thing, you understand, you're a politician yourself, Waring Saab. Every small thing that is said can be, blown out of proportion and used as political points.
So, suniye, this, what I believe, that are this Punjabi people, they understand what is the politics going on. So people knows that what kind of respect Rahul Gandhi have in his mind, in his heart about the Sikhs, about the religion. Everybody knows this. I think comment to Bittu, जो ट्रेटर है, धोखा तो दिया है. And you can see the comments while on your debate coming comments from social media and other parts of the country. They said कि हाँ, किसने बनाया बिट्टू को? 3 बार मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट राहुल गांधी ने बनाया, यूथ कांग्रेस का अध्यक्ष बनाया.
So, Waring Saab, you're saying because, I remember at one point of time, Ambika Soni ji's seat, which he was to contest, went to Mr. Bittu only from the Congress. You're saying, your charge is that Rahul Gandhi has done Yes, so you're saying that Rahul Gandhi's done enough for Mr. Bittu, and what he said was not to attack a community,
That
but
is
a comment for Mr.
100%
Bittu
right
because
what
he has
Rahul
left
Gandhi
the
said this
Congress.
thing to him. Whole Punjab saying, everybody is saying that he's a Gadar. I don't want to use this word, to be very honest. But not only me and not only Congress party
But
is saying
Waring Saab,
this.
he's using this word. But Waring Saab, you have Mr. Bittu calling Rahul Gandhi Desh ka Gaddar.
For Rahul Gandhi is Desh ka Gadar, you tell me. राहुल गांधी के परिवार के
No, I'm just quoting
लोगों
Mr.
ने इस
Bittu,
देश
sir.
के लिए कुर्बानियां दी हैं, जान दी है. How is Gadar? You tell me that how he is Gadar. He is Gadar because he was earlier in the Congress party, member of parliament from the Congress, twice member of parliament, then thrice member of parliament, and after that he is doing this kind of things with Amit Shah ji and Modi ji कि अंदर अंदर उनको मिलना. He is in the Congress party and meeting the BJP people. So उसको गद्दार कहते हैं. And yesterday what Rahul Gandhi wants to say
All
in the
right.
parliament.
Waring Saab, thank you for taking the time.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Waring Saab. Thank you for taking the time out and explaining to us on what you think, went where the parliament was concerned outside. Thank you.